In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Basecamp. We all know how distracting notifications can be, especially when you're trying to focus on your work. So, let's dive right in and help you customize those notification settings to suit your needs. First things first, you'll want to pay attention to the top right corner of your Basecamp interface. There, you'll see your profile picture or avatar. It's easy to spot, so go ahead and click on it. This simple step opens up a series of options related to your account. Next up, you'll find yourself presented with a drop-down menu. Among the options that appear, look for the one that says Change Your Notification Settings. Select this option. What we're doing here is heading straight into the heart of your notification controls, so you can manage when and how Basecamp sends you updates. Now that you're in your notification settings, it's time to tailor these to your preference. One of the first choices you'll need to make is about email notifications. Do you prefer to stay updated on everything? This includes messages, comments, to-dos, events, check-ins, and more. Choosing this is like having a constant stream of information readily available, keeping you in the loop with every tiny detail. Conversely, if you'd rather keep things minimal and only receive key alerts, you might want to consider opting for only pings and mentions. This setting ensures that you won't be overwhelmed by a flood of notifications, and you'll only get pinged when something requires your direct attention or when someone mentions you directly. It's a great way to stay informed without the noise. As you navigate through these settings, think about what fits your workflow best. If you're managing a team and need to stay on top of every development, receiving all notifications might be the best choice. But if you're feeling inundated with constant alerts, narrowing them down to just the essentials can really help clear the clutter. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've taken control of your Basecamp notifications. It's all about creating a balanced work environment where you stay informed yet undisturbed. Adjusting these settings ensures that you get the alerts that matter most to you and on your terms. So whenever you feel like these settings need a little tweak, remember that it's just a click away by going through your avatar in Basecamp. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your notifications effectively. Stay productive, and see you in the next video.